Hey party people, ready to bring some neon heat to your next celebration? Today, we're diving into the ultimate Miami Vice-themed birthday party ideas. Think pastels, palm trees. If you're all about that vintage South Beach vibe, this one's for you. We're covering decor, setup, lighting, and more. No fluff, just pure inspiration to make your bash unforgettable. Let's ride the Miami wave right into party paradise. What colors define a Miami Vice part? Think sunset pastels, turquoise, hot pink, purple, and white. These shades create the cool, electric 80s energy. Use them in tablecloths, balloons, and backdrops. Accent with gold or chrome for an upscale twist. Mix bold with soft tones to keep it stylish and vibrant. Lighting helps blend it all together perfectly. What's a must-have backdrop idea? Go for a city skyline cutout with a tropical twist. Add neon palm trees and sunset gradients. Hang a big Vice Night sign in bold script. Use a shimmer wall for added glam. LED rope lights can outline shapes beautifully. This sets the tone for photo ops and Instagram moments. If these ideas are firing up your creativity, let me know. Drop a comment with what backdrop you're dreaming of. How do I make the table setup on theme? Use glossy or mirrored table runners. Layer plates with pastel napkins and gold cutlery. Mini disco balls add fun, retro sparkle. Tropical leaves under centerpieces add flair. Clear cups with colored straws are a nice touch. Place cards in 80 seconds style fonts seal the deal. What kind of lighting fits the vibe? Soft pink and blue LED lights work wonders. Accent walls with moving light projections. Add color-changing lights to palm props. Light strips under tables give a night lounge feel. Avoid harsh lighting, go for glowy and cool. Lighting builds the mood more than you'd think. Hit that button to catch all the latest decor inspiration. How do I create a lounge area? Set up white couches or bean bags with pastel pillows. Use faux palm trees in pots with light bases. A low table with candles gives chill Miami vibes. Scatter retro magazines or music props around. Add some vintage records as decor pieces. It becomes a relaxed photo and hangout zone. What should I use for centerpieces? Use mini flamingos, mirrored tiles, or faux pineapples. Fill vases with glow sticks or pastel confetti. Neon signs on stands work great too. Glass bowls with floating candles are elegant. Pair with tropical leaves for contrast. Mix textures for that luxe 80s appeal. Feeling inspired to take your setup to the next level? Let me know which centerpiece idea is your favorite. How do I decorate the entrance? Roll out a pink carpet. Yes, pink. Flank it with palm trees and glowing signs. Add a rope barrier for that VIP feel. Use pastel balloons in clusters above. Welcome guests with a retro Vice welcome sign. Instantly sets the mood right at the door. Any fun extra touches I can add. Set up a DIY photo booth with props. Add glow bracelets as party favors. Use retro music from the 80s to set the tone. Have themed drink tags and name badges. Confetti cannons for a grand moment are great. Little extras turn good into unforgettable. Loving these Miami vibes so far? Hit that button to stay in the loop for more party-perfect ideas. Can I throw a Miami Vice party on a budget? Definitely. You don't need to go overboard. Use printable decor and DIY centerpieces. Stream 80 seconds playlists for music and vibe. Grab dollar store items in pastel colors. Mix in some creative lighting tricks. The look is about style, not spending big. Budget-friendly or full glam. Either way, you can own this theme. If you're getting ideas already, drop a comment below. So there you have it, a full breakdown of Miami Vice birthday decor. From bold backdrops to mood-setting lighting, you've got options. It's a theme that brings nostalgia, color, and total style. Perfect for any age, kids, teens, or grown-up celebrations. Make it indoor chic or take it outside for that beachy feel. And remember, it's all in the details. Don't skip the fun extras. Your party doesn't just stand out, it becomes an experience. Now go turn those ideas into reality and make memories that last. Love the ideas? Show some love by hitting that like button. Want more party themes? You know what to do. Tap follow. Got questions or your own twist on this theme? Let's hear it below. Help someone else plan their perfect party by sharing this video. Don't miss upcoming creative content. We're just getting started. Keep your celebration game strong with every episode. And remember, you bring the vibe, we bring the vision.